How does it feel? How you feel to be 100-year-old?
Feel good, man.
You feel good? You feel special? Nice.
Feel good.
Nice. Right, you go to church?
Yeah.
About 1922 and then Christian Day from that time.
Yeah.
And which church?
Christian Anglican Church.
The Anglican church of the south? Or down the south?
Yeah.
That's at the parish church.
The parish church.
Wow.
And I attend Sunday school here until I start have children and I drop out.
Jamaica Uncut, and today we are in Portland, Port Antonio, and we are going on name Palm Avenue. We are East Palm Avenue. East Palm Avenue.
Yeah.
And my next guest is Elsie Samuels, another centenarian in Jamaica. And as you know by now, we've been traveling around Jamaica and we find Jamaicans who are over 100, and we sit down and reason with them so them can tell us a little bit about their memory as a child growing up in a Jamaica land we love. Miss Elsie, introduce yourself to the people and for me.
My name is Elsie Samuels.
What year you born?
1922.
1922. Which make you how old now?
100 and what?
100 flat. You're 100 flat this year. Which month you born?
January.
January. Give me high five. Yeah, January rule. Me born January. My dad me born the 13.
The 13.
Yes.
I was son born the 13.
Next high five again. Yeah, nice. And my daughter born the 17. And my father born the 3rd.
January,
yes.
January family.
Peter January in my family. My sister born January, my brother born January, my father born January. Everybody in the house born January. Like my mother and father did plan. Everybody born January. And then my daughter come born January. So big up January.
Sound good and it look good.
And me to tell you.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Tell me something what you remember as a little girl I grew up in Jamaica. What was life like?
Something that I remember.
Yeah, as a little girl. Tell me what you remember about Jamaica when you were a little girl.
I remember now. Boy. You bring the work somebody.
Just tell me anything you remember. Something you remember about your grandmother. Tell me something you remember about your grandmother.
I don't know my grandmother.
Your mother, you remember your mother? You remember your mommy?
I know my mother, yes.
You remember your mother? Okay, one day we should go sit down side her. Pull up one Asaka and go sit down side there, Miss Elsie.
One of the cheer right there, you know.
No, man, good as someone. So, tell me something you remember about your mother.
I remember about my mother.
Yeah, what you remember about your mother?
No, my mother was a very good woman.
What she used to do for work? What she used to do for work? What kind of work she used to do?
She used to do for work. She never really work out and she does work for herself.
What she do? What she used to do?
The housework and
like clean house and any kind of something there? And you remember your father?
No.
You remember your father?
His father was in America. And one time I glimpsed him.
Alright. What brother and sister you have?
No brother, one sister, but she died.
Okay. So you alone now?
Yes.
And you have children?
Yes.
How much children you have?
How much of them? 54. 4.
3 dead. 3 dead. And 3 alive.
So it's 6 of them? Or so you have 6 children?
6. 6.
6?
6.
Yeah, because you have 3 gone and 3 alive. 6. You have Miss Lenny, 1 girl. Only 1 girl and 5 boys.
Okay.
1 girl, 5 boys.
Yeah, 1 girl, 5 boys.
Okay.
Yes. But she have she buried 3.
Okay.
She buried 3 kids.
Yes.
And you go to church?
Yeah.
About 1922, and I
All her
Christian
life.
there from that time.
Yeah.
And which church?
Christian Anglican Church.
The Anglican church out there, so? Oh, down there, so?
Yeah.
The one
That's at the parish church.
The parish church.
Wow.
And I attend Sunday school there until I start up children and I drop out.
Mm-hmm.
And children are getting big now. And one night they have a crusade.
Mm-hmm.
And I went up there. And I went up there. And when I went there, I make a commitment. And I never come out again until sickness took me around here. Never come out again.
Okay.
I just love my church. When I go Sunday school there, that time I always keep Sunday school in the evenings. And when I go to church with my parents in the morning,
Yeah.
and I come in the evening to go back to Sunday school. All that good, man.
So you used to sing pan choir or not like that? You used to sing pan choir?
No.
No? So what kind of part you used to take in a church? What you used to do in a church? What you Miss Elsie used to do at church?
Yeah, I mean, I take no special part, nothing special. But
She's not in a guide.
altar guild.
Altar guide.
No.
Altar guide. What you call it? Altar guide?
Altar guild.
Yes.
Okay.
And I always join that, you used to have altar guild mothers union. And another one when I joined the altar guild.
Yeah, what was it like them time there?
What was it like?
What was it like?
What was it like?
Yeah, them time there.
Well, we used to have it and then certain time we have meet and we read the Bible and we say scripture passage and all that.
Okay. And your children them they go to church down there too?
Yes.
What you used to do for work? What kind of work you used to do when you turned big woman now?
I used to keep a little shop.
This shop here.
That time that shop wasn't so big.
Okay.
So the children and father died when they were small. And it's that I used and support them. The shop is that I so mind them.
Okay. You didn't get married?
No.
You don't get married? Okay. Tell me a story. Like a story where your mother would have tell you when you are a little girl and you remember. Tell me one story about when you are a little picnic. You must give me one dopey story or you must give me one dopey story. Like every Jamaican have one dopey story. Tell me one dopey story.
To pick up one now.
You must give me come on Miss Elsie, man. We don't give one dopey story or rolling car story or something. When you are a little picnic.
I remember that time you didn't mind it, 1944, when the breeze blew, and the palm tree was right out there. And the breeze blew down the palm tree, and the man gone. No, the breeze didn't start. The man got to rescue the boy over the little boy, and the man go and lift up the little boy. It wasn't this house. The little boy was carrying him over here and see him was coming. The palm tree dropped and the baby out of the man and killed the man on the spot.
And the baby survived?
The baby's still alive, but that big man no, but him not here.
Okay.
Look out, the baby was coming the baby over here and the palm tree just lick him now, the baby.
How does it feel? How you feel to be 100-year-old?
Feel good, man.
You feel good? You feel special? Nice.
Feel good.
Nice.
And giving thanks and praise.
Yes. Always. Always. Me see you have your buffet behind you with your nice glass. Them and something in it. Me remember when me a little boy, me couldn't touch for me mother one.
What?
Touch what? You used to tell him to not touch it too? You used to tell him to not touch it?
Eh.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Eh.
Okay.
Okay.
Going to whoop me to go to the water.
Right.
Because me can't imagine to say,
Okay.
okay, man. Tell you, your mother still alive.
My mother still alive.
Aye.
My mother only 70-year-old now. You was a good cook?
Aye.
You was a good cook?
Very good.
You was a good cook as a little girl, as a young girl?
Well, some kind of
Good baker too.
What you used to love bake?
Eh.
What you used to bake?
Pudding.
And I used to be a pudding.
What kind of pudding?
Potato.
High five on there. Yo, Miss Elsie. Miss Elsie, you say potato pudding?
Yeah.
You don't think understand how me love
Yes,
potato?
yes,
Oh my.
yes.
And maybe it's a January thing. Me love potato pudding, you know.
Eh.
Me love potato pudding,
Yes,
man.
yes.
Love potato pudding. And my favorite is thing in the whole world.
And I used to be a pudding, I couldn't fool.
Just when cool like it here.
And I at time park school.
The school right there.
Yeah.
Park school. That time I got to it was when recess time the children
You know,
the children
Yeah, breaks time.
Yeah.
break time.
Mhm.
When I bake and so when break time, every children come right over and then flap me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pudding man, the pudding.
So you used to sell at school? No? If you used to sell at the school,
No,
pudding at school
the
sell.
No.
children always come over.
Oh, they come over here.
Yes, because that time
Oh.
they put.
Yeah, but she bake the pudding, but she not sell the pudding either, you know.
Oh, just gateway?
Yeah.
What?
Eh,
What?
Yes, man.
How did people treat each other back in them days there?
Good man, good.
Yeah?
Eh. And I get the same treatment from them.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. That's very nice.
Getting the city. Also, when the young children, them, that's used to go. I don't remember them, they remember me, they come and look for me.
Nice. That's very nice.
Yes.
That's very nice. That's very nice.
One day, one woman called me and said, she heard that talking about me all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And she said, oh, she know me, she had me sister become such a French. She said, when she used to go to the park school, I'll come over here and just have a book and pencil.
I just give her just to see her. You don't want no money, just give her.
No.
Nice.
They'll come and eat over here. Me say that was good, man. Good.
That means the people used to love your food, man.
Nice.
That's so nice. That's so
This is
nice.
one of them send it for me.
Oh, from foreign. It's so nice. You're pretty, man. So pretty. And I love your socks. People, hold on there. Let me show the people that Miss Elsie socks. Right now, me I claim for my socks game turn up, you know, but let me show you Miss Elsie socks. Let me show you so the socks game. Look at the socks pretty. Uno socks now go on. Uno socks game no hot. Look what Miss Elsie socks. I'm going to tell you. Miss Elsie, the socks bad man. Alright, Miss Elsie. What kind of advice you would give the young youth them nowadays?
Have manners and serve God.
Yes.
Yes. And do all the good them can. Yes. Live good with people and them friends and neighbors.
Yes. Yes. You remember when you're a girl, your neighbor would always look out for you. Back in them days, and if you do something wrong, the neighbor would beat you and then send you home. You can't do that nowadays again.
No,
You can't do that nowadays again. Different generation now. Yeah, man. Can't do that again. How would you compare the youth them today to the youth them when you they grow up?
You do no rubbish. You them first have manners, these have no manners, and some
of them, most of them.
Some.
Yeah, we didn't choose that part for them.
Some.
So, one of your eye work.
I don't know what happened to this one.
Alright, no hurty. Okay. But you see out of it though? You can still see out of them?
Yes, but it don't keep up.
Like you need like an eye drop.
Weak.
Okay.
It get
And the ears? How the ears?
not so good, you know, and I have a pain right around you.
Okay.
I can't show that.
Do you have any regrets in a life? Anything you regret in this life, yeah?
No.
No regrets.
No.
Like you ever do something and you're sorry so you do that one something there? No?
Not remember.
And you have any fears? You afraid of nothing?
Eh?
Are you afraid of anything? No?
No.
If God call you now, are you ready?
Eh?
If God call you now, are you ready?
Ready waiting. Ready waiting.
Are you still pray at night time?
Yes.
You still pray? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What's some of the things that you eat? What's your diet like?
I eat anything.
You eat meat?
Mm.
Well, why you eat meat more or you eat fish and vegetable more?
The fish and the vegetable.
More.
And I get the meat I don't only the bony part I
Oh, you eat
like.
some of the bone?
When I get the fresh part I just chew it up and chew it and
Okay.
when I eat the meat.
Okay.
But the bone part I think.
Alright. And you know cook no more?
Eh?
You don't cook anymore?
Cook.
Mhm.
I can't want to look. I can't want to look for the party. No food cook.
You don't cook?
Yeah, when he cook food now.
Okay. Alright, so me just want to say so much thanks
Yes.
to be in your presence
Yes.
and just for hold of vibes with you and talk about your life and share your story. And when I meet someone like yourself, it is very special to me because you hold a very special place in my heart. Yes. Thank you very, very much. And I want you to sing a little song for me. A little song of worship where you remember when you used to sing when you go to church. Give you a little song. And then you're going to lead me out with a word of prayer. No man, just sing it. No, we don't care, man. Once you can sing, we don't care about no voice. I know recording studio where they go.
Son of my soul, thou Savior dear, it is not night if thou be near. Oh, may no hurt one cloud arise to hide thee from thy servant's eyes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, lead us out with a small word of prayer. To bless the youth, them, bless your children, bless your grandchildren, while we say thanks for life.
Father, we thank you for this day that you have granted unto me. Bless each member of our families as they go about their daily lives. Grant us that which you are afraid to ask of you, Heavenly Father. Amen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very
She
much.
not here somewhere, you know.
Thank you so very much. Thank you very much. And high five again. Come, high five again. High five again.
Put up your hand, Messi.
High five. Come. High five. All right. Miss Elsie Samuels,
From Port
100 years old, from Portland, East Park Avenue, right in a Port Antonio.
Prospect then.
In a Prospect.
In a prospect.
Yeah, okay, fine. In a Prospect.
In a
Yes.
prospect.
And
Prospect.
she is a milestone, and I feel like we need to recognize our elders more, because we know oftentimes we take them out, tuck them in one corner, and we don't pay enough attention to them. So I feel like we need to start paying more attention to them, because they are the backbone of us.
Yeah.
Him are the backbone of Jamaica, the backbone of our story. So, let me have one last question for you. You remember when the Queen did come to Jamaica? You remember? No? Introduce yourself to the people for me, please.
I am Winston Nunes.
Winston Eunice. And Miss
Elsie.
Elsie is your mother.
Right.
And your son number how much?
First son.
You're the first son.
Second child.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me something you remember about her as a younger woman and you as a young boy.
Well, I could remember when going to school, she always, fix up my clothes, be able to put on my clothes and things like that. Try on my shirt and,
Yeah.
it used to look good. Yeah.
So she one of them mother that used to rub it down with Vaseline to when you go to school and...
No Vaseline. I mean lotion, but at the same time,
Okay.
she take care of me.
Alright, cool.
As near as the road is, we could really go there.
Oh, for real?
No,
And you were born right here?
right here.
Where was she born?
Well, I don't know exactly where she was,
Okay.
but I couldn't leave and go to a road like musical child nowadays.
How does it feel to have spent your life in the same place, basically, for all your life?
Well, not really. I spend my whole life here now. Go out and come in.
Or you go out and come in?
Yeah, you look traveling like work at town and something
Okay,
like
but
that.
basically, that's why your footing, that's why your
Yes, man.
boundary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's on my turf.
Okay, alright, cool.
Yeah.
And how many brothers and sisters you have?
And on the other side, 4 brothers,
Uh-huh.
1 sister.
Okay.
Father said a lot.
Like any typical Jamaican man.
Yeah, man. Father said a lot.
Yeah.
Aye.
So, you grew up in the church as well?
When we used to go to church.
As a youth? As a youth?
Yes.
That's why the same church down at the Anglican
Well, I
church?
used to go to first afterward better because I mean, one at a time I grew up at a parents' life.
Okay, see.
So I do spend all the time with she.
Okay.
But
Tell me something you remember about her. Something specific you remember. It could be something funny. You just tell me something you remember about her as a youth.
well, I remember she used to keep a shop.
Right.
And she was kind more time. We'd go there and take out one little sweet, fresh on about and things like that.
I mean, we all do
Yeah.
that. Come on.
Yeah.
Take out the sunshine, isn't it?
Something like that,
Yeah.
We used to send me go to wholesale to buy goods here and all that thing there.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
She tell me that she used to bake pudding and she did bake one of the baddest pudding boy and she just bake it and give it and the yard was so full of it if you can't get pudding.
Yeah, because I mean, next day was living in the same yard where we used to bake. Like gizzard, bake pudding, toto, make gizzard, crater cake and things what she used to sell to school.
Okay.
And things like that. So I told them was a good friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. How does it feel to still have your mother around at 100 years old?
I feel good to know she's still alive.
Yeah.
The good thing about it is that now suffering from pain and things like
Yeah.
that. Can't hear too good.
Right.
Uh,
Okay.
but it's a good feeling.
Yeah, we have to give thanks, say. Because no matter what happened, we're glad to our parents about.
Yeah,
And I can't imagine what you must feel say, boy, your mother is 100-year-old.
it's true.
Because enough of we now live go so far.
Not even 20.
Not even 20-year-old.
Yeah, man.
Exactly.
Because so death is a thing where
Right.
no age limit.
Yeah. That's true.
It was born and you're dead.
Okay. Alright, brother.
Yeah.
You don't know how many grandchildren you have?
No, not really. I have a rough idea because we give her 4.
Right.
I let my sister give her about 5. And 3 great grand. Yeah. Plus I don't remember, but I plenty. Because I mean, my sister, son, have and all that. So,
Right.
yeah.
Okay.
Couldn't really check right now.
Right.
Yeah.
And then, brother, thank you very much. And thanks for the time. And just, it's an honor for being in your house. And just, if we share our story and hear our story.
Yeah.
It's blessed love. And again, thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay, alright, cool. So Jamaica Uncut road trip, Portland, another centenarian in a Jamaica as we travel around and try to reason with as much centenarians as we can.
So how we see this now?
Jamaica Uncut. Blessed love.